The land which is not able for agriculture purpose is known as barren land. So what should the government do of the land? Wait a minute, there are 28th century in the universities in the Telangana. So where are they? Where are they constructed? Where are they constructed? They are also constructed on the. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher, Mr. Ayan sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ravinda and today I am going to speak about the case of Hyderabad Wildlife Sanctuary. There is a news arising in the headlines today, as we all know that is about Hyderabad Sanctuary. There are, aside of UOH, University of Hyderabad, there are total 400 acres of land covered by forest area, and from 400 acres of land, around 100 acres of land were destroyed by the government, and it is claimed that this part of land was barren as a forest land. There, as we all know that there this part of Hyderabad in the Telangana, there are approx to 21,000 acre of land was covered in Telangana, and around that 18% of land was covered by the forest. As we all know that Nallamala is a biggest forest in the Telangana, which is covered 25% of forest area in the Telangana. As we all know that deforestation is a main cause of damaging and destroying the ecosystem in today's era, and it causes a lot of damage in the environment and ecosystem in the current era. We all know that there are many causes like global warming, environmental destroying, and it is not the cutting of trees is not the main cause of destroying, damaging environment and destroying ecosystem. There are many cases and there are many causes by which the environment is degrading and the environment is damaging in current time. As we all know that
everyone and respected sir, my name is Muhammad Mohin, and first of all I would like to say thanks to Ayan sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak here. So now my topic is current news of Telangana. So first of all I would like to describe what is happening in the Telangana. If I talk about of the geographical area of the forest, the bill passed of area is 100, the bill passed of area 400 and the cutted is 100. And if I talk about of the concern bonds of that forest, the concern bonds of that forest, it is because plant is decreasing, because plants are decreasing, and second thing is increasing pollutions and increasing warming, this kind of thing, after in spite of cutting the plants. And if I talk about of who passed this bill, the government of the Telangana, and which party is rule in the Telangana, so Congress party right now is ruling in Telangana. But at a present time, this goes firstly in the High Court. After that, it is going on the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court stopped this case till 16 April. But I do not want to talk about of the news. But right now I'm going to tell you about of very interesting thing which is regarding to trees, because eventually, as we all know about of the tree is play a very important role in our life, because we get oxygen from the tree, or at a present time we are cutting the tree, so it is very important for the human beings. And second thing is that which is regarding to animal. The tree is the house of the animal, is the house of the bird, is the house of the many sparrow, but we don't think about.
Everyone, my name is Red Blessing. Today I'm going to tell about the wildlife sanctuary. This is happened in Hyderabad, Telangana. So I would like to tell something that the government passed this bill, and the in the Hyderabad the party of rule is Congress. The Congress passed this bill to the government, and when we cut the tree, so it is harm to us because we can't take the oxygen. So it is very bad thing for us, and we are destroying the home of anybody, of 100 people, because the animal are also living beings. So when we are cutting the trees, so we are cutting the homes of the birds, so many animals. Thank you. Have a nice.
My name is Rishi. Today I would like to tell you about the current news of Telangana, which is about of forest. So firstly, I would like to tell you about the forest. So first of all, in the forest of Telangana is 400 acre has been 400 acre has cut, but 100 acre had been cut by the government. But the total area of forest is a 2300. And second thing is that in the forest there are so many type of animals. They live in the forest. So uh, what is the this is a main disadvantage of that. And people government grab the animal house also, so it is also bad for the animal. And now I'm talking about of university. And university who made in the Telangana. So in the by university people get a job also. And by university Telangana GDP is also increasing. And by university people student can study also. So this is an advantage and disadvantage also. So there are the both of type advantage and disadvantage. This is all about that case. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So my name is Ashraf, and today I would like to tell you about the news of Telangana. What is happening in Telangana? So I would like to tell you about the Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, and the forest is being cut by government of in Telangana. And if we talk about how many acre has been cut, so there is 100 acres forest has been cut by people, so government. And the students of Hyderabad University, they are protesting the police, but they are not listening them. They are beating them and they are stopping them. Don't do protest. So this is very bad, because as you all know that trees and plants are very necessary for us, because without of trees and plants we can't live in earth. And we are losing the trees, we are losing the animals. As we all know that the technology is increasing day by day, and we cannot see the birds in morning, we cannot see the animals anywhere. So, and the animals who are dying over there, they are not being sent anywhere, any in another forest. So this is very bad news for us and for everyone. And